Hello, and welcome back, guys. So we need to convert a list in this particular problem. Okay, convert a number into a list of digits and vice versa. And vice versa. Okay, so we might have to just check. So if n dot is instance, I guess, of no, I think is instance is a global function, right? Is instance n of ls list, right? If it is a list, we can simply do uh, return join dot join and else we simply do return list list. We convert it into a list, right? Otherwise, let's run the code. What happens? You can blah 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 item 0 expected string int found, right? Okay, so might have to make it into a str, right? Because this will be a string. We have to convert it into a string first of all. Int is not iterable. What the hell? Let's just to print n first of all. Let's check the data type first of all. Okay, 5678. Right, it's not iterable. It's not iterable. So it's is it an instance of list? Yes, it is. And when we do that, that should have worked. Let me just do this first of all. Let me just use this return and let's see what other problems are there. Let's just run this thing first. Int is not iterable, right? So what did we get over here? It's this that we've got, and we are getting that. That means why not this thing? Because we don't need this, right? So we are trying to join it, but it should be n over here, right? So this should work just fine in my opinion. Expect item sequence item 0 expected string instance ain't found. Uh-huh. Mm, we can simply do it's a iterable. Why is it complaining about it? I just can't figure it out. Let me just uncomment this. I think the code is just fine. It's just complaining about something else. Let's just see. Let's see. What are you complaining about? Blah blah blah. Okay, I know that there is a uncompleted code. Run the code. Of course, there will be a problem in this again. Right. So let's see. Uh, join n. Right. So if it is an instance of okay, just this one. So this wants us to do str n for I in. Can't do what happens if we convert the whole list into a string. I just wanted to check. Let's see. Just curious about it. Okay, so let's just do that. Okay, indentation error, blah blah blah. Right, so let's just do that. What happens? I just want to see the print output of this. Okay, it will still be somewhat similar, huh? So for n in n, I, all right, let's do that. Mm-hmm. And uploader is not iterable. Again, we are doing something similar. Right. So what was the solution that this guy had proposed? Mm-hmm. Like this, that's it. Let's see. It works, but one test case is failing, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Your result was this. Okay, I just wanted to check, other output. Okay. So if it is that expected output was list, right? So if it is a list, so what we can do is for I in n. I think this is what they want us to return. Okay, I need to convert it into string because that's going to be an int. Now that's why. Okay, now I know because n was not iterable right at the beginning. Our result is this, right? Expected was that. So we might have to just make it into an int because we want it to be a int. This will work, I guess, in my opinion. Yep. It's just a thing, like when we get a n, I was just thinking like there will be a two data type basically. That's what I missed. So n could be a string, it could be a integer as well, and it's of course it could be a string or it could be a list as well, right? So inside a list it could be int. So that's what I did over here. First I made it into a string, right? The whole n, because since it's not a list, it has to be a string. That was my assumption, but it could be a int as well, hence I made it into a string and then actually just got the thing int, the list with int data type. And for the other one we just did like, since we know it's a list already, so we simply did that. All right. Hopefully, because why we did string I, because there could be a data type where in the list it could be a int. Okay, so that was a little bit uh confusing kind of thing. Of course, it was written over here, but you know, we don't always read everything. Uh, I submit the code. Okay, great. That's done. Let's just go into the solutions. Let's see how other people have done it. It's taking so long. What's taking so long? Let's refresh it. Is it the internet issue? Seems like it. Let's just refresh it. Okay, it's taking a while. So I think that you guys check it out. Like there could be a better solution. Okay, it's coming in, but it's taking longer than I expected. So as the solutions, yes, type. So someone is checking type, and then we did easy instance. Basically, it's something similar what they have done, right? Yeah, pretty much similar sort of thing, right? So yeah, that's how we solve this particular problem. If you have any questions, do comment down below. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.